Democratic leaders on the Hill are demanding answers from the Supreme Court after the New York Times reported this weekend of another possible leak.
Our chief legal correspondent, Katie Barlow, joins us here now in studio with more. So, Katie, tell us exactly what happened here.
Well, it turns out that leak last May of the draft Dobbs opinion overturning the right to abortion actually may not have been the only decision leaked in recent years. On Saturday, the New York Times reported that Justice Samuel Alito may have leaked a 2014 decision allowing private companies to refuse birth control coverage for their employees. Alito denies the allegation, but the Times reports that it was all part of a coordinated effort to get closer to the conservative justices. Now, top Democrats are renewing calls for ethics reform on the high court. And there is no formal code of ethics for the justices on the Supreme Court, even though the rest of the judges in the federal courts are bound by one. In a letter first obtained by Politico, Senator Sheldon Whitehouse and Congressman Hank Johnson asked Chief Justice John Roberts about a code of ethics for the court and demanded answers on the allegations made in the New York Times.
The Supreme Court does nothing when there are ethics lapses of its members, and it simply waits and hopes that it goes away. But I think we've reached a point at which it's not going away, and they need to act in a serious manner to build back some of the faith that they've lost due to those ethics lapses in the last few years.
Although recent calls for ethics reform at the Supreme Court are largely from Democrats, the issue used to have bipartisan support. In 2016, Republicans criticized Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg for derogatory comments she made about then-candidate Donald Trump. There were also calls for Justice Elena Kagan to recuse herself from the Obamacare case after working in the administration. She did not. And in May, the House Judiciary Committee passed the Supreme Court Ethics, Recusal, and Transparency Act straight along party lines. Democrats in favor, Republicans against. Maryland's Democratic Senator Chris Van Hollen chairs the Appropriations Subcommittee that oversees the Supreme Court's budget, and he says they're prepared to look at all options, including tying conditions to the court's funding if they can't pass a law requiring a code of conduct.
We will look at all of our options here if the court continues to stonewall the public and continues to refuse to establish a code of ethics, to establish some rules regarding transparency.
Of course, Democrats will lose control of the House in January, making consensus on reform measures nearly impossible. But I spoke with Maryland's new Congressman Glenn Ivey today, who said he thinks it should be a priority for incoming lawmakers. Back to you guys.